morning, good afternoon, good night, whenever you will watch this video. So today in this video, we will discuss about present perfect continuous tense. So I hope you are ready with your pen and paper. So without wasting much time, let us start this video. So first question may arise that where present perfect continuous tenses are used. So simple answer is that supposing you are doing some activity and that activity you are doing till this date or till this time, that activity is running, then you can use present perfect continuous tense. As for example, supposing you are playing the cricket till this time from morning, then your activity is running till this time, so at that moment you can use this type of present perfect continuous tense. So now we will study in detail about this present perfect continuous tense. So first of all, mainly two things you have to remember in all tenses. First is helping verb. So here I have written HV means helping verb, and second you have to remember main verb. So that is your main verb. So what is the advantage of knowing the helping verb? So helping verb will indicate what? It will indicate the time. So over here I will write helping verb will indicate what? Indicate the time. And for present perfect continuous tense, helping verb is have been or has been. That means if in a given sentence, if you will find have been or has been, then these both things are helping verbs for what? For this tense. That means now you will come to know that has been or have been will indicate the time. Which time? Present perfect time. Okay. And next is main verb. Now main verb will indicate what? It will indicate status of the work. And with main verb, ing is present, then you will say status of work is continuous. So if in a given sentence, if you find that main verb with ing, so what you will understand that work is running, work is continuous. So status of work is continuous. So helping verb will indicate the time, present perfect, and main verb with ing will indicate status of the verb, which is continuous. So in this way you can identify. Now that thing we will identify by taking some examples. So first I have written affirmative sentences. Affirmative sentence means what? Positive sentences. No questions, no negative, only positive sentences. So first sentence is I have been playing cricket since morning. That means since from morning I am playing the cricket. So I have been playing cricket since morning. Okay, so activity is running. How you will identify tense of a given sentence? So number one, you will find out the helping verb. Helping verb is this, have been. Have been is the helping verb of what? Of this tense. That helping verb will indicate what? Indicate time. Which time? Present perfect time. So over here I can write time also. So that is your present, then perfect, that time. Okay. Next is what? You have to find out the status of work. How you will find out status of work? By finding main verb. So that is your main verb, playing. That main verb is in which form? Main verb plus ing, when status of work is what? Continuous, running, continuous. So that is why continuous tense. So combinedly you can say present perfect by finding the helping verbs, and by finding the main verb with ing you will say continuous. So present perfect continuous tense. Okay. Next example, I have been working in college since 2009. So over here helping verb is have been. That have been will indicate time. Which time? Present perfect time. That is your main verb with ing will indicate status of the verb, which is continuous. So present perfect continuous tense. Next example, she has been dancing on stage since night. Again, that is your helping verb. That helping verb will indicate this time, present perfect. Then main verb with ing, that is your main verb with ing will indicate status of verb, which is continuous. So present perfect continuous tense. Then you have to remember this structure. In this structure, first thing is what? I, she, that is your subject. Then next is has been, have been. So has been or have been, this thing will indicate what? Indicate helping verb for present perfect. Then next is main verb with ing. So main verb with ing, that will indicate status of work, which is continuous. Then object is there, that on stage, college, cricket, objects are there. Then you will use since or for, that is your since, and for also you can use. Plus 2009 morning time. Okay. Now question may arise that in which case you have to use since and in which case you have to use for. So simple principle is there that when time is defined. Time is defined means what? Like morning, we know the morning, then we know the night. Time is defined since 2009, that we can see in the calendar. So the time that we can see in the calendars, then you can use since. Time is defined. But when time is not defined, such a time that we cannot see in the calendar, like 5 years, 2 days, 5 minutes, 3 days, this type of which 3 days, which 5 years, that we don't know. So at that time for will be used. That for example we will see later. Okay. Now next we will go with negative sentences. Negative sentence means what? Such sentence in which not will present. Okay. First sentence, Ram has not been coming to college for 5 days. Okay. Over here, one thing you have to remember, that between helping verb, that is your helping verb, have been, has been. Between helping verb, over here I will write between helping verb, which thing will come? Not will come. So over here, has not been, that is your helping verb, not will come. Okay, and that helping verb will indicate time, present perfect. That is your main verb plus ing. It will indicate status of the work, which is continuous. So present perfect, continuous tense. Next is Ram has not been talking to Gopal since night. Okay. Over here, why I have used for? Because for 5 days, which 5 days, that we don't know, time is not defined. 5 days, which 5 days, that we cannot see in the calendar. So that for I have used. Okay. Next, Ram has not been talking to Gopal since night. We know night, morning, evening, that we know. Okay. Over here again, between helping verb, not is present. This helping verb will indicate the time, which is present perfect. Then this is your main verb with ing. This will indicate status of the work, which is continuous. So present perfect, continuous tense. Last example, you have not been eating food since morning. Again, helping verb, between helping verb, not is present. Helping verb will indicate the time, present perfect. Then main verb is eating. Main verb with ing, it will indicate status of the verb, which is continuous. Since we have used why, because morning we know, time is defined. Okay, so you have to remember this structure. First one is what? Ramesh, Ram, you. These are the subjects. Plus have or has. Third party singular, then has, then otherwise it will be have. So have, has plus not plus been plus main verb ing plus over here you can add object also if you want to add food, then Gopal, college, object. Okay, over here you have to add after ing object. Okay, plus since or for and then time, morning, night, 5 days. Now you can take the screenshot because after that we will discuss about interrogative and double interrogative sentences. Now we will discuss the interrogative sentences. So in interrogative sentence you have to remember one thing, that always this interrogative sentences will start with helping verb. Which are the helping verb for this tense? Have been, has been, so it will start with that only. Okay. Then next thing you have to remember, that always between helping verb, subject will come. That two things you have to remember. Interrogative means what? Such sentences whose answer will come in form of yes or no. Okay. Two things you have to remember. First is what? Starts with the helping verb, have been, has been, and between helping verb, subject should be there. Okay. So we'll take the example first that starts with the helping verb. Have you been working in production department since 1st of March? Then mark of interrogation. Over here, have been is the helping verb, and which of what? Present perfect. Then you is what? You is subject. So between helping verb, subject is present. So have been will indicate the time, which is present perfect. Then that is your working main verb with ing. So main verb with ing will indicate status of the verb, which is continuous. So you can say that the tense of given sentence is present perfect continuous tense. Okay. Next example, has he been living in Gujarat for 5 years? Over here, why I have used for? Because time is not defined. We don't know that about which 5 years it is there in the sentence. Okay. Now again, that is your helping verb. Subject is present between helping verb. That helping verb will indicate the time, present perfect, and then that is main verb with ing will indicate status of the verb, which is continuous. Okay. Next sentence. Has she been coming to club for 1 year? So again, for I have used because we don't know that which 1 year, that we don't know exactly. So time is not defined, that's why for is used. Again, helping verb, between that she means subject is there. Has been is the helping verb of present perfect. It will indicate this time present perfect. Main verb will indicate continuous activity or status. Okay. Now from this sentences, now you can easily remember this structure. In this structure, first is what starts with helping verb. So has, have will also come. Plus subject is there. Plus been is present. That is your been. Then plus main verb with ing. So these are the main verb with ing. Plus object, college, Gujarat, then production department, etc. Then since or for will come or since will come, and then time will come. 1st of March, 5 year, 1 year, and then mark of interrogation. Okay. Now next, double interrogative sentences. Now double interrogative sentence means what? That such type of sentences whose answer may never come in form of yes or no. Okay. In this double interrogative sentence, you have to remember again two things. First thing is which one? That double interrogative sentence will always start with a WH family. Now WH family means what? It will start with where you can say why, whom, what, etc. WH family. Another thing, same thing you will remember, which one? That between helping verb, which thing will come? Subject will come. That two things you have to remember. How? That we will see. Okay. Firstly, it will start with WH family. Yes, it is started by has he been. Has been is the helping verb. Between helping verb, which thing is present? Subject is present. So second point is also fulfilled. Why has he been living in Gujarat for 5 years? Mark of interrogation. Again, has been will indicate the time because it is a helping verb for present perfect. Again, that main verb plus ing is indicating what? That status of the verb, which is continuous. So present perfect continuous tense. Now next is, where have you been working in production department since 1st of May? So over here again, have been, between that subject is present. Have been will indicate time, helping verb present perfect. That is a main verb with ing will indicate status of verb, which is continuous. Last sentence, why has she been coming? 2 times I have written over here, forgive me. Why has she been coming to club for 1 year? Again, that is your has been helping verb. Between that subject is present. Has been will indicate time for present perfect. That is your main verb with ing will indicate status of the verb, which is continuous. Okay. So from these sentences you have to remember that structure, which is first one is what? Why, where, why. So WH family plus has or have plus subject, then plus that is your been, plus main verb with ing, then object like production department, Gujarat, etc. Then for, you can use for when time is not defined, and since you will use when time is defined, plus time 1 year, 1st of May, 5 year, plus mark of interrogation. So this is all about this present perfect continuous tense. You can take the screenshot. Now I would like to end this video. Once again we will meet in a new video with new tense. Then till then, read hard, work hard. Thank you very much.